Put the filter roll onto the feeding roller and place it onto feeding rack. Make filter fabric go through the rollers. Please note that common filter bag is an external filter bag with the fluffy side inside and the smooth side outside. When you place the cloth roll, make sure that the fluffy surface is facing upwards. Make filter fabric go through pre-curved holders.
还是150。
还是150的，一样的，因为它布料的幅宽是一样的。
Make filter fabric go through filter fabric tube folder.
This比较薄的，没有它们厚实。
它是那个空气的量也压的比较实。然后要从那边再盖起来吧，等一下我到那边开一下，我盖起来。
Make filter fabric go through pulling rollers.
这个看一下，
那个脚踏板哪里
Step the foot pedal. Step on your foot once and start welding. Step on it again and the machine will stop.